One of the most challenging technical problems that I've ever had to solve was the final project for Thermo 2 that I took last semester. And so this final project essentially was a process flow chart that we were given that had compressors, heat exchangers, turbines, and a distillation column at the end. And the goal of the project was to, given an input stream, figure out the maximum separation of the two components in the input stream and figure out the specifications for each unit process that would allow you to get to that final separation. So this was a very technically heavy problem, the most technical and difficult problem I've had to do up to date. And it was especially challenging for me because I didn't realize how all of the knowledge compounded upon each other, especially in a topic like thermodynamics. So for me, it took a lot of reviewing content and kind of working through piece by piece on the theory side to figure out how that played into certain different conditions and essentially solving the problem. One of the outcomes I got from this project was also the importance of teamwork. So we worked in, I think, groups of 3 or 4, and without my group mates, I don't know how I would have solved the problem because it was so technically dense and so complicated, and because so many pieces were kind of interconnected and you needed to solve one thing to solve the next thing. It really helped me to kind of break down the problem in parts, and it showed me that no matter how difficult the problem, breaking it down into manageable parts is always the right way to go.